Hi, I am Maharajan, co-founder of VisAI Labs. As industrial weighing scale OEM providers, you might have seen the market change beneath your feet. In recent times, there has been an explosion in the e-commerce industry, and so warehouses and third-party logistics services providers want to measure the length, breadth, and height of the boxes in addition to the weight of the box. The volumetric weight is as important as the physical weight of the box today. Now, why not add the volumetric weight to that as well? This is where VisAILabs can help you. We have automated dimensioning systems based on vision called as Parcel Pro and Pallet Light, which can seamlessly integrate into your weighing scale. Be it a static weighing scale or a dynamic weighing scale, our systems can integrate seamlessly, and together we can offer the perfect solution to your customer.